Hey, it's Noble Credit, and we got some sad news. Today, we have to cancel a very special card, a card that is very near and dear to my heart, the Blue Business Plus by American Express. And the reason we have to cancel this card is not because it's not a great card. It's an excellent card. 2x on everything on your first $50,000 spent per year. But you only get 5 credit card slots with American Express. And I cannot justify the Blue Business Plus taking up a credit card slot that could be occupied by a card that is giving me more real value. Now, this was not an easy decision to come to. I had to take a long walk. I had to go fishing. I had to go golfing. I had to go snowboarding. I had to clear my mind. I had to go talk to a therapist. I had to go talk to myself. And then I came to the conclusion that it's time. I have to replace the Blue Business Plus with a card that is going to give me more money and is more useful than the Blue Business Plus. Now, which card is that? I've made my decision. And it's no easy decision, but it comes at a time where I'm realizing where I'm taking my career and what do I need in the years to come. And I think I've made the decision. I'm going to call American Express right now. By the end of this phone call, I'm going to let you guys know what the card that I'm going to be replacing the Blue Business Plus with. You got to wait until the end of the video. So let's phone up American Express and let's do the unthinkable. Cancel the Blue Business Plus for the second time. This is my second time canceling the BBP. Let's do it.
Welcome to American Express. This call may be recorded, monitored, and analyzed for compliance and to improve our systems. How can I help you today?
Cancel card.
Okay, cancel a card or an account. Say or enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Say or enter the last 5 digits of your card number. You can find this on your statement or online. Okay, found it. If your card is lost or stolen, please say lost or stolen card. Otherwise, we will continue. If you got this message by mistake or want to start over, say main menu. Okay, close an account. Do you want to close the account or just remove the cardholder?
Close the account.
And is this because the company is no longer in business?
No.
Just a moment while I connect you to a representative.
American Express, this is Dan, and this is Mr.
Yes.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing? I'm doing well.
I'm doing pretty good as well. Thank you so much for asking, and that's really nice to hear. And I'm pulling up a Blue Business Plus card for Noble Credit. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling to cancel my Blue Business Plus card.
Sounds really sad to hear. So, if you don't mind, may I know the reason why?
Well, actually, I'll just be honest. American Express has a 5 credit card limit, and I would like to replace the Blue Business Plus with another credit card that is going to give me more value.
And also, sir, if I may ask, are you trying to apply right now?
No, I'm not trying to apply right now. I would get auto denied because of the 5 credit card limit.
Because if you want, sir, we can proceed with the card cancellation. And if you want to apply right now, we can also help you out with it. We can do a real-time cancellation so you can apply right away.
I'll go ahead and apply online, but the real-time cancellation that's fine.
So let me just proceed with the card cancellation.
Okay.
So let me just read your short disclosure here.
I muted it, guys, but I'm not going to apply for the card that I'm eventually going to get over the phone because I'd rather use a referral link. A referral link benefits myself and the person who I'm getting a referral link from, which is why I also recommend that you guys use the referral links in my description box below.
Card cancellation?
Yes, I would like to proceed with the card cancellation for the Blue Business Plus.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, so the card's been canceled effective immediately. And yeah, anything else that I can assist you?
That will be all for today.
Alright, that would be all. Have a wonderful day then, and we're always here whenever you need.
All right.
Wrapping up.
Thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
You guys are still here? Great. You really want to know what card I'm getting next, huh? Where's my wallet? This is not my normal wallet. This is my wallet that I carry all of my credit cards in. Okay, in this wallet, I have 2 cards that are very similar. And by very similar, I mean they're exactly the same. They're known as the Hilton Aspire credit card. The Hilton Aspire credit card, basically every year you get a free night stay at any Hilton property in the world just by having the card. If you follow the channel, you know that I get the annual fees on my American Express cards waived due to being an active duty service member in the United States military. You get a free night certificate with the Hilton Aspire. You might think, oh, that's fine. What's that worth? That could be worth over $1,000. That one benefit alone. There are some very expensive properties in this world. So any Hilton property you want. This card also has a $250 airline incidental credit, which I use and I liquidate that credit into United Travel Bank. And then it has another $250 Hilton Resorts credit. So that's $500 with credits right there. And I have 2 of these cards. Here you go. And so I have 2 of these cards, and these cards take up valuable slots in my rotation. They take up 2 of the 5 slots that I'm allotted by American Express. Now, some people are allotted 4, some people are allotted 5. I've had the Blue Business Plus for so long, I may have been only allotted 4 slots and I just applied for the Blue Business Plus because I figured I would get away with having a business card outside of my 4 credit card limit. I guess we're going to see. Now, the other cards that take up slots with American Express for me are the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant and the Delta Reserve. The Delta Reserve is there for the companion certificate. You pay for 1 round trip plus the taxes for the second person, and the other person's ticket is free. Your companion's ticket is free. That's a really good perk. And the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant, it comes with a free night certificate every year up to $85,000, and you can top it off a little bit with points. So it's a really good card. But the Blue Business Plus gave me none of that, and so it was hard to justify its slot. So that's 4 cards plus the Blue Business Plus. That's 5 cards. I had to get rid of the Blue Business Plus, and I just took some monthly expenses off my Blue Business Plus before I made this decision for the second time. Right? So I've been a member at American Express since 2018. This is my second time canceling the BBP. Now let's hope this works out, but the card that I'm going to need to get is, let me explain something real quick. American Express has a once in a lifetime rule, which means when I got the Hilton Aspire, I can never get the Hilton Aspire sign up bonus ever again. Okay, so how did I get 2 Hilton Aspires? I got 2 Hilton Aspires by getting the Hilton Ascend card, which is now called the Hilton Surpass card, and then I got the sign up bonus for that. And remember, American Express has a once in a lifetime rule. So now that I have 2 of these, I can never get the sign up bonus for the Ascend. I can never get the sign up bonus for the Surpass, and I can never get the sign up bonus for the Aspire. So what is left? The Hilton Honors credit card. I can get the Hilton Honors credit card, get the sign up bonus for it, which is only spend $1,000 within 3 months, get 70,000 Hilton Honors points and a free night certificate. That's really easy. And when the guy asked me if I wanted to apply for the card right then and there, I said no, because I'll use a referral link so that someone benefits from my application and not just American Express. That's what I recommend you guys do. That's why I put my links in the description, so that if you're applying for a credit card, have someone else at least benefit from it. And my channel and my description box is a good place to go to apply for your credit cards. So I will be applying for the American Express Hilton Honors credit card very soon. And then once that's done, in a year's time, I will upgrade that Hilton Honors card into another Hilton Aspire credit card. So then I will have 3 free night certificates. Having 3 Hilton Aspire cards and having the annual fees waived will pay me thousands of dollars per year. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's Noble Credit. The Blue Business Plus, it's been real. But so long.